Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley-Davidson and North County, Indian, right here in San Marcos, California. It's going to be really hot this week, but you know what else is really hot? This 2013 FLS. This has the 103 cubic inch 6-speed transmission. As you can see, they got the really nice chrome mags on there, a solid disc, LED lights. Now this is set up really well. If you take into account the windshield that's adjustable. Also, you have the floors, kind of a little sporty style. Now he's got a high intake air cleaner with this 103 and also a really nice exhaust. Let's see how she sounds. Can you also show them the front lighting for me? And this is her when she's alive. Really nice deep rumble. This bike has 17,943 and it's ready for sale. If you have any interest in test riding it or taking it home, please let us know right here at Biggs Harley-Davidson, North County, Indian. We'll see you when you get here.